Kumana na kuongerereka kwa utheremu wa murimu wa mukingo na muno makiria gatagati-ini ka mbeu njithi ni kugucangiire ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, unyitaniri na kanju ya kibururi ya kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo o undu umwe na anyiti itemi angi kuruguria kambini ya guthomithia muingi njira cia kuhurana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu. Kuringana na riboti iria erekereirio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, ciana 98 o muthenya ni magwatagio murimu wa mukingo, kuria mwaka muhituku ciana 500 ni ciakuire kumana na murimu uyu kuonona manyitwo kia hinya maikaraga na uhoro ucio.
And if you look at them, most of them have to do with gender-based violence, as well as, of course, the another major outcome which is undesirable and that affects their lives is the teenage pregnancies.
If you're looking at absolute numbers, we have 167,000 people in Nairobi who are living with HIV. Out of that number, 12,000 of them are children and adolescents.
Mwaka muhituku andu 19,000 nio makuire kumana na murimu wa mukingo, na kaunti-ini ya Nairobi andu 15,000 ni magwatagio murimu uyu, na hari na beno 4,000 ao makoragwo ari mbeu njithi.
When they have passed on or when they are now very sick, that is when it is discovered that it was HIV and AIDS. So this negates the efforts that we have been making in reducing the infection rate of HIV.
Kanju ya kibururi ya kuhurana na gutherema kwa mukingo ikiuga ona riria thayo wa bururi wa thugwo, undu ucio ni ucangagira hari kwaga kunyihanyihia murimu wa mukingo, kuonona aria marwarite ni magaga kuhota guthi kugira dawa cia ARVs.
HIV program is one of the programs that has a challenge when disruption happen, because a lot of times we find that people run away, they leave their medication and they are not able to access drugs for a couple of days. And for HIV, any disruption of treatment even for a few days really has a counterproductive impact on the person's health.
Ningi ciana nini kuma gatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 10 nginyagia 14 ni makoretwo makiohanda na njira nene, undu uyu ugikuwa gicunji kia 56 hari 100 kaunti-ini 9 iria ni Nairobi, Kajiado, Homa Bay, Meru, Kericho, Narok, Kisii, Mandera na Bomet. Elizabeth Atieno ni umwe wa aria mekoririe kihahamu kimwiri ari na ukuru wa miaka 16 na akigia mwana.
That there is still a gap, especially when it comes to information. Where I had people talking about information here. How many women in the grassroots, kusema ukweli, wanajua that they can access the after rape? There is what we call the after rape care that they can access.
Ningi no gukoretwo na riboti 15,000 cia atumia hari mwaka cia gutharikirwo ni athuri, na oho no gukoretwo na riboti 400 cia arume ciigi gutharikirwo ni atumia, o undu umwe na ciana cia tuhi kuhahamu. No athuri aingi matieyumagiria, riu makiurio gwitikira kuhuraga riboti.
Stations for police containers who accommodate wale ambao wanaenda kwa police station, kwa sababu lazima wawe na pahali ya kulala kabla perpetrator ameshikwa. Juu ya hiyo, we are going to have the first GBV safe house in Nairobi built by government.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.